Okay, this video is going to go over quickly some examples for classifying polynomials. Bless you. You should have open your notes slide that you just took notes on. You'll have more information in the slide than I do. And then you should also have out your classifying polynomials worksheet. Okay, let's do two examples together. The first thing we're going to try to figure out is how many...
Please come to the main office. Christian Molina to the main office.
How many terms are in this polynomial? I see one term here, one term here, one term here, and one term here. So they're like 4 chunks, 4 pieces, 4 terms. So I would say my polynomial has 4 terms. Degree, going back to your notes, you can see the degree is the highest power exponent in your polynomial. So like here, the highest power exponent is 3. So that's going to be my degree. My degree is 3. Make sure as you're watching this video that you're following along and annotating and copying down the notes, same way that I am. Okay, the leading coefficient is going to be the coefficient that's in front of the x with the highest power. So here in this example, x cubed is the highest power, and 4 is the coefficient in front of the x cubed. So that would be the leading coefficient. Here, in our example, the highest degree is 3. We already said our degree is 3. So I'm going to ask myself, what is the coefficient or the number that's in front of x? There is no coefficient in front of x. It's just x. So we'd say the leading coefficient is 1. Yeah, so if there's no coefficient, there's an imaginary coefficient that's 1. We can write it in there. 1x cubed. Okay, and the constant term, constant is just the regular number that doesn't have an x in it. So it's just what we would call a constant, just a normal number. And our constant term is 8. Okay, let's quickly go through one more example. What I encourage you to do is pause the video, try example 2 on your own, and then play the video and check your work. Okay, hello, welcome back. The number of terms in this polynomial, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chunks, 5 terms. The highest degree, the highest power I see is 4. The leading coefficient is going to be the coefficient in front of the x to the 4th. In this case, my leading coefficient is 2. And my constant term, the number that's just a regular number at the end of the polynomial, is a 1. Okay, so now that you've seen these 2 examples for classifying polynomials, go ahead, independently work through the rest of these practice problems on your own. There should be an answer key posted on the next slide, so you can check your answers as you go. All right, good luck.